In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new Google Analytics for GA4 account in just about 5 minutes. This is a beginner-friendly guide, so whether you're setting up analytics for the first time or transitioning from Universal Analytics to GA4, you're in the right place. Let's get you up to speed with the latest in web analytics. The first thing you'll want to do is navigate to Google's homepage. This is where we'll begin the journey of setting up your new analytics account. Once you're there, focus your attention on the sign in button, usually located in the top right corner. Clicking on it is your gateway into the Google ecosystem. Choosing your Google account should be straightforward if you're already using Google products. Simply select the account you wish to use for Google Analytics. If prompted, go ahead and enter your password to securely access your account. Following that, you'll encounter a Next button. Click on it to proceed. Once you're successfully logged in, you'll notice the Google Apps icon, symbolized by a grid of dots, also located at the top right corner of the page. Clicking this will reveal a drop-down menu with various Google applications. From this array of options, locate and select Google Analytics. It's your entry point into setting up or managing your analytics. The journey to creating your GA4 account officially begins when you hit Start Measuring. This is your critical first step inside the Google Analytics interface. It might ask you to sign in again, depending on your account security settings, so just follow through as needed. Upon clicking Start Measuring, you are prompted to enter your account details. This information includes the name you wish to give to your GA4 account. Choose something descriptive and relevant, as it helps to identify this account within your portfolio of Google Analytics properties, especially if you'll be managing multiple accounts or properties. After filling out your account details, you need to click Next to proceed. The subsequent step involves naming your property. Think of the property as the specific website or app you're tracking with this account. You might want to use a name that is easily recognizable and reflects the digital asset you're monitoring. Following the naming of your property, you'll select your business size and details. Even if you're a freelancer or run a small blog, don't hesitate to accurately describe your business size. Google Analytics offers tailored insights based on the scale and nature of your operations. Next, you'll be asked to choose your business objectives. This selection helps Google Analytics to suggest relevant configurations and reports later on. Whether your focus is on e-commerce, lead generation, or simply content publishing, picking the right objectives will fine-tune your analytics experience. Click the Create button after setting your objectives. This action takes you into a realm where you need to accept Google's terms of service, which includes the data processing terms, as per your region, among other legalities. Make sure you read through these carefully before agreeing, as it's crucial to understand the implications of the data you'll be handling. Finally, you have the choice to add a platform or skip for now. Adding a platform means you're specifying where your data will come from, be it a website, an iOS app, or an Android app. If you're not ready to add this information just yet, you can skip and proceed to the Google Analytics home. Clicking on Continue to Home concludes the setup process. Welcome to your new GA4 dashboard. From here you can start exploring the vast features and functionalities GA4 offers. Remember, setting up your account is just the beginning. The real power of Google Analytics lies in leveraging its insights to improve your user experience and make data-driven decisions for your website or app. Here's a pro tip. Take your time to familiarize yourself with the new interface and explore the different reports GA4 provides. The platform is designed to offer a more streamlined, user-friendly experience with a focus on event-based data collection, making it a powerful tool for modern web analytics. Congratulations on setting up your GA4 account. You're now ready to unlock actionable insights and enhance your online presence based on data-driven decisions. Keep exploring, learning, and optimizing. Here's to your success in the digital world.